practical application of reflection of light waves at curved mirror surfaces. Here, live and direct in Mata Ecclesia College. I want to also wash my habanero pepper. Okay, I want this meat to have taste, and yeah. Our egg is frying.
They're cold. And when it's already cold, it's this.
This is less than 1 minute. The reason why we are still here is that the surface area of the mirror we're using is small. It's not that big. Bigger surface area we accommodate more rays of sun, and the cooking will be faster. So we fry this egg without using firewood, and this is Lagos, Ekpe, Lagos. The sun down here is not that hot as in the north. So those of you who are living in the north, this project is really good for you. And you see, my cameraman is already salivating. He wants to eat the egg, but there's no way I can give him this egg. So this is fried egg. You can see this. I want to test this egg and see how sweet this is. This is good. So no firewood, no gas, just the rays of the sun. So this is the beauty of science. We will allow it to stay in the next 30 seconds. We just pour little water, and that's okay. Then that should be okay. And then this time we'll just cut little onion. Then we cover it with a black cover. So after 1 minute or 2 minutes, this should be ready. That is if the sun rays are very hot and there's nothing like any cloud trying to block the rays of the sun. So this should, and then again, the surface area of the glass is also very, very important. We have a bigger version of this coming up that is like this, can go into the bigger version like 10 times. So that one can accommodate more rays of sun, and as the sun rays are hit on the surface, they all converge at a point and the cooking is faster. So in the next 1 or 2 minutes, this indomie should be ready. So if you observe, there's bright rays of light. That is the convergent, with the point of convergence called the focal point of the mirror. So after 2 minutes, This meal is ready. You can come closer. You can even see the steam. Watch this. The beauty of science. You can see the steam. This meal is ready. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Wow, wow. So, our egg and indomie is ready for consumption. Cooked without firewood, without gas, without kerosene. A sustainable way of cooking. So it is time to consume this meal now. This is direct from Martha Ecclesial College, Ekpe, Igbodu. Bring in your children here. Let them come and learn real science. So don't ask me to give this to eat. Delicious. These are my SS2 science students trying to eat from what we have cooked with the reflection of light waves at curved mirror surface. Okay, and now I hand it over to my SS3 students who are just going out to go and devour it. Now, the version of this is coming on the way, and we're not just gonna cook with this. We can also barbecue with this. There's a barbecue version of this. And we can also convert this heat energy into electricity by using a photovoltaic cell. So to this, we have come to the end of teaching you how this device works. You see, I am using my sunglasses. So always use your sunglasses while making use of this device. Thank you, and God bless you.